moment you hear Range Rover SV Brutal, you already know this isn't just another luxury SUV. This is the kind of machine that makes supercars nervous at a red light. And trust me, you need to watch this entire review till the end. Because some of the features and performance numbers in this SUV honestly don't even feel real for something this big. What happens when British luxury engineers completely ignore limits and build an SUV with insane power, handcrafted luxury, and road presence so aggressive it literally dominates traffic without saying a word? You get the Range Rover SV Brutal, a machine that feels less like transportation and more like a rolling private jet mixed with a muscle car. The second this SUV appears on the road, people notice it instantly. Not because it's flashy in a cheap way, but because it carries that ultra-expensive, untouchable energy that only a true flagship luxury vehicle can deliver. From the front, the design is pure intimidation. The grille looks sharper, wider, and more aggressive than the standard Range Rover, while the darkened SV accents make it feel stealthy and powerful at the same time. The LED signature lights look futuristic, especially at night, giving the SUV a high-tech appearance that instantly separates it from every ordinary luxury vehicle on the road. And then there's the body stance. Tall, muscular, and perfectly balanced. This thing doesn't scream for attention. It silently owns the road. The wheels are massive, the proportions are perfect, and every angle looks expensive. Even parked, the Range Rover SV Brutal feels like it's moving. That's the magic of elite automotive design. Most SUVs try to look sporty. This one actually looks dangerous. And when you see it in black with the dark SV package, it genuinely looks like something a billionaire would daily drive through Beverly Hills or Miami at midnight. But the real story begins once you step inside. The cabin of the Range Rover SV Brutal is absolutely insane. The first thing you notice is the silence. Close the door and the outside world completely disappears. It feels like entering a private luxury lounge. Every surface you touch feels handcrafted. Premium leather, real metal, ultra-soft materials, elegant stitching. Everything feels ridiculously expensive. Nothing feels cheap. Nothing feels rushed. This interior was built to compete with private jets and ultra-luxury sedans, not regular SUVs. The seats are unbelievable. Heated, ventilated, massaging, and designed to make long drives feel effortless. Even after hours behind the wheel, you feel relaxed. Rear passengers get executive-level comfort with enormous legroom, reclining seats, climate controls, and luxury details everywhere. Honestly, the back seat experience alone feels more premium than most luxury cars on the market today. And then there's the technology. The curved infotainment display looks modern and clean without being overwhelming. Unlike some brands that overload the dashboard with confusing screens, Range Rover keeps everything elegant and premium. The graphics are smooth, the system responds quickly, and the overall layout feels sophisticated instead of gimmicky. Wireless Apple CarPlay, premium audio, advanced driver assistance systems, everything works seamlessly. But now let's talk about the reason people are obsessed with the SV Brutal, the performance. Because under the hood, this SUV transforms from a luxury palace into an absolute monster. Depending on the configuration, the SV models are powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers brutal acceleration and shocking power for a full-size luxury SUV. The numbers alone are crazy, but they don't explain how this vehicle actually feels when you hit the throttle. The acceleration is violent. You press the pedal and this massive SUV launches forward with authority. That honestly makes no sense physically. The torque hits instantly. The exhaust growls aggressively. And suddenly you forget you're driving a heavyweight luxury SUV because it pulls like a performance sports car. It's smooth when cruising, but when you want power, the SV Brutal becomes genuinely aggressive. And the craziest part? It does all this while staying unbelievably composed. No drama, no instability, no loss of control. The suspension system is so advanced that the vehicle almost floats over rough roads, while still staying planted during high-speed driving. Whether you're cruising through Los Angeles highways, driving through rainy streets in New York, or taking long road trips across America, this SUV adapts instantly to the environment. That's where Range Rover's engineering becomes truly impressive. Most high-performance SUVs sacrifice comfort for speed. The SV Brutal somehow gives you both at the same time. You can quietly cruise like a luxury limousine during the day and unleash insane V8 power at night. It has multiple personalities depending on how you drive it. Calm when you want comfort, brutal when you want excitement. And yes, the exhaust note deserves its own conversation. This thing sounds incredible. Deep, aggressive, refined, and powerful without sounding childish. It has that expensive V8 sound that instantly tells everyone nearby this isn't a normal SUV. At idle, it rumbles with confidence. Under acceleration, it becomes louder and more emotional. But unlike some performance SUVs that try too hard, the SV Brutal keeps everything classy. Handling is another massive surprise. You would expect a vehicle this large to feel heavy in corners, but the engineering completely changes the experience. Rear-wheel steering, adaptive suspension, active stabilization systems, everything works together to make the SUV feel smaller and sharper than it actually is. It corners with confidence and remains incredibly stable even at higher speeds. And let's be honest, the presence of this SUV is on another level. There are expensive cars everywhere now, but very few vehicles still command genuine respect on the road. The Range Rover SV Brutal does exactly that. Pull up to a valet, luxury hotel, restaurant, or event in this thing, and people immediately pay attention. It has that elite status image that celebrities, athletes, executives, and wealthy entrepreneurs love. What also makes this SUV special is its versatility. You can drive it daily. You can take it on long road trips. You can use it for luxury family transportation. And somehow it still feels exotic enough to turn heads everywhere it goes. That balance is incredibly difficult to achieve, but Range Rover mastered it here. Off-road capability is another area where this vehicle embarrasses competitors. While many luxury SUVs focus only on road performance, the SV Brutal still carries true Range Rover DNA. Advanced terrain systems